You are going to love this video, so be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel so we can let you know when new videos are published. Welcome! This video is about the 2 most common mistakes that affiliate marketers make. The mistakes are easy to make, you are probably making them yourself. The good news is that these common mistakes are fixable. Almost every new affiliate marketer believes that affiliate marketing is all about selling, and since it is not about selling, their results are dismal. Not realizing that their selling approach is wrong, with good intentions, new affiliate marketers sell even harder. If you are selling, and you probably are, you are hurting yourself. Affiliate marketing is not about selling. It is about helping. You want to leave the selling to your affiliate. How to fix this selling approach is to change your mindset to a help, not sell a mindset, also called a serve, do not sell mindset. When you focus on helping, you stop selling. By helping, you gain the confidence and trust of your visitors, they end up liking your help and liking you. Your benefit is that visitors are much more likely to click through to your affiliate. Your job, as an affiliate marketer, is to bring buyers and sellers together. It is that simple. Helping, rather than selling, is a key ingredient for making that happen. Another common mistake is called SOS, which stands for Shiny Object Syndrome. It is another major mistake that is so easy to make. What you are about to discover is that affiliate marketing is loaded with distractions. Shiny Object Syndrome is a constant state of distraction. SOS is brought on by an ongoing belief that there is something new that may be better and worth pursuing. The problem is that SOS comes at the expense of what you have already planned or what you already have underway. The syndrome is real and is said to be rooted in our childhood. As children, most of us were always wanting a new toy, or we were distracted by a new toy, even if our current toy was just fine. The results of SOS are ultimately devastating. You may find that you are often moving on to something new before completing your present project. Even worse, you soon have too many shiny objects, too many projects, and they all suffer. Being aware of SOS is a big step toward fixing it, however. It is going to take determined focus. Strive to say no. When confronted with a new shiny object, remind yourself that you want to stay focused, and that your determined focus is best for your business. Mistakes are okay, in fact, mistakes are often the best things. Every bump on your affiliate marketing journey, every mistake, every roadblock, and every failure is a learning experience. These experiences help you to grow and improve. Do not worry about them, do not let them deter you from your goals. On occasion, you will get knocked down. That is not a big deal, as long as you get back up.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!